when working at height. Stability is critical. Tired of flimsy, hard-to-transport lifts? Check out this HXT trailer, mounted boom lift. It features a full frame of 5.0mm solid Q355B, manganese steel with laser cutting iron. Structural strength ensures firm stability even at maximum height, improving operator safety and efficiency. The articulated boom easily clears obstacles. Fitted with a standard tow hitch, it can be towed by pickup trucks for simple site transfer. One-touch automatic self-leveling is available as an option to stabilize the chassis on uneven ground. CE and ISO certified, HXT sets the safety benchmark for aerial work. Reach higher, work smarter. Message us for the data sheet and factory quotation.